Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. As we know, Facebook is now powered by Meta. Since Facebook was updated to that, Facebook doesn't actually have profile lock anymore. On this video, we're going to edit our privacy just like how your Facebook profile is locked. Open Facebook and then go to Menu. It's located on the lower right part of your screen. Once you're in here, scroll down, then tap Settings and Privacy. It will give you a drop down in here and then select Privacy Shortcuts. Then from here, tap Take a Privacy Checkup. Then you'll be routed to this page. Select the first one. So we'll start with who can see what you share. Tap Continue. On this page, you'll see drop downs in here. So make sure that all of this is selected as only me. So in my case, I'm not going to select only me because I'm not going to make my account private. But of course, if you want to make your account private, all of these options that you can see in here should be only me. Tap Next. And then here you'll see your default audience. So you'll tap More and then select only me. Go back and then on your stories, if you want to custom who you want to hide your story from, of course you can custom that. You just need to select them from here. Once you're done, just tap Save. And then you can limit who can see your past posts. So you can just tap Limit and then you'll have an option to, of course, select those you want to limit. If you want to review your blocked list, you can, but I'll tap Next. And then we'll need to review another topic. So we'll go on this topic now, how to keep your account secure. So we'll tap Review. If your password is okay or is private, you can tap Next. In here, you'll need to turn this on. So whenever there are logins and whatnot on the said applications, then you will be notified. Then tap Next. You can review security tips if you want, but I'll skip it for now. Then let's go ahead and review another topic. Let's go with how people can find you on Facebook. Tap Continue. Now under who can send you a friend request, you can tap Friends of Friends. So your account wouldn't be public to be added just for anyone. And then tap Next. For your phone number and email, make sure that the option chosen is only me. Now, make sure to turn this off so that other search engines wouldn't be able to search your Facebook easily, and then tap Next. We're all set, so let's review another topic. Now we'll move on to your data settings on Facebook. Tap Continue. Here you'll see all of the applications that you have linked your Facebook with. You can remove those applications that you want and then tap Next. With regards to your location, tap Never so that without your permission, your location wouldn't be shared. Then tap Next. Let's move on to another topic. So it regards to your ad preference on Facebook. Tap Continue. Make sure to read what this is for. It's regarding Facebook ads. And then tap Next. So with this information, make sure to turn it off so that no one would know your profile information. With regards to who can see your social interactions, make sure to tap Only Me. And then tap Next. And we're all set with our privacy shortcuts. Now let's go back, then tap See More Privacy Settings. Under your activity, who can see your future post, make sure that you select Only Me. Then here you'll have an option to limit who can see your past posts. So you can just tap that. Under who can see the people, pages and lists you follow, tap Only Me. And then who can see your future reels, you can tap Friends Accept and then you can just select the friends that you want to hide your reels from. That means your reels will not be public. It's only being shown to your friends. So in here, you can just select those people you want to hide your reels from. Under how people find and contact you, you can just select Friends of Friends on who can send you a friend request. Who can see your friends list? Make sure to select only me. And that's how to lock Facebook profile. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.